Hi, I'm Phoebe Joy D. Maginlang from BSED English 2A. Things I can't live without is using my cell phone. I think the only things I can't live without is my cell phone because let's face it, I'm not the only one who can't live without it because it has so many use. Like it have a camera, video recorder, music player, games, flashlight, calendar, calculator, and most of all for communication. You can call or text wherever you want to. It only be possible if you have a load. Of course, I chose cell phone as thing I can't live without because based on what I observed in my behavior, every time I woke up, I always check my cell phone first before anything. Then before I do my morning rituals, I just check whenever I have a call, I have a text, like that. It is not that I have so many text mate or call mate, but I just texted everyone. But in my boring times, I just play games, taking pictures, and playing music, surfing. But I don't get any benefits because of using my cell phone. And cell phone is like my best friend too because I always text my feelings. I always text my feelings like that, and I saved it and I read it all over again. Or if someone who's texting me or text me of someone special, I just saved it and I read it again. But whatever I am, I always check my phone. I always use this, and this is the things I can't live without. That's all.